guys, it's Ernest here with It's Got Construction. Guys, we're about to get going on the taping on this project. Have a little bit of more drywall hanging to do because my hanger ran out of drywall, so we're just gonna slap on those pieces and then get going on the taping. So as you can see, this is gonna be, it's a little addition to the house. They're eventually gonna attach it to the house, but for now this is just gonna be like a room. This is gonna be the closet, and as you can see, it's in a vault, and the vaulted ceiling, it's a little bit complicated for us because we're actually gonna have to get on top of these, so we have to put some planks up there. That way we can tape up everything there. But let's get this project going, guys. So it's time to get to the taping. We already have everything pre-filled. We already put all the drywall that was missing there, put all the corners and everything. So it's time to get rolling, get some taping on. So let's get a little cinematic art. 1, 2, 3. Guys, it's day 2 of doing this little mini project, and it is box day. So we have the 10-inch Columbia box, but right before we get to it, guys, let's show you this wonderful view. Guys, day 3, and hopefully this is our final day here. I think we can wrap it up. I'm pretty confident on it. So yesterday we coated everything down in the bottom section twice. Just have to touch it up a little bit, hit a couple butts and stuff, but it's pretty much almost ready for texture. The bottom section, today what we're gonna do is just hit the top, second coat it, And while that's drying and everything, we can either start texturing it down here, but it should dry really fast. It's actually, it's hot enough. And you obviously always want to work from the top down, you know, when it comes down to texturing. That way, if you drop mud on the walls, you're not having to clean those up. But anyways, I think we're pretty much getting close, guys. Getting close to wrapping this one up. It's coming along. Thankfully, Art came out with me again, guys, because we do have, the goal is to wrap it up today because tomorrow we have to start another one. So here we go, guys. All right, guys, it's texture mode. As you can see, Art already started a little bit over here, and so he's making that all look nice and crispy. Now we're gonna texture everything else. You know what, guys? Let me just show you how fast this is. Okay, guys, that was a lot slower than we thought. So we're finally done, but it is 8:30 at night, guys, and Art was great enough and helped me out on this project, because if not, imagine, I would have come back tomorrow. But anyways, guys, we wrapped it up and it looks neat. It's all textured and everything. And as you can see, you'll see on the video here, the beams here are all gonna be exposed. They're basically like trusses. They're all at an angle, but they're all gonna be exposed. And we had to flat tape every single one of them. Every single one of them, right? And then right up here, guys, you might not be able to see it that good, but then it's like a little closet, but it's got a little step. And then it's got another little step on there. Well, then you have this beam right here, and it gets in your way, and it is so hard to get up there to that final point up there, guys. But luckily, Art helped us out, guys, and we wrapped it up. So, looks nice, looks clean, and we're done.